Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Forgive me, I didn't put the ring light up, so I'm a little dark, but I may look better that way, so we'll go with that. Sitting here at the workbench enjoying an ice cold hobby light and working on the chrome video, and I've done a little bit, but that's not the reason for this video, but I want to show you this to you real quick. Did another green stuff world airbrush chrome on a front bumper, and as you see, looks really nice. And I'll be doing the AK. I'm letting the base on some of that stuff dry a little further, so that video on the AK, the brass type stuff, the ideas I've got probably will be Wednesday. It could be tomorrow night, but I'm taking my time because I'm doing a little more experimenting, and I'm thinking I'm going to do that orange candy color all clad as well, so that may take an extra day to get it all done. But I do want to get all this chrome stuff done because I'm really curious about it, and I've got stuff that needs to be re-chromed. But again, this is not the reason for this video. I want you to do me a favor. I want to give a channel shout out to my wife Amanda. This morning she got her first two videos up, edited and all that stuff, and she's had that extra time downtime. And so we decided, well, let's have some fun. And so this is about our miniature Yorkshire Terrier, Mishka. So it's the Amanda and Mishka show for the most part. I think I'm in one of the videos, but you're just going to have to check it out. But do me a favor. Show Amanda and Mishka some love. Head over there. The description, the link will be in the description area of this video. But if you want to look it up, it's Lady Mishka of Yorkshire. So Lady Mishka of Yorkshire, and it'll pop right up. And check out the two videos there. They're only a couple minutes. And show Amanda again some love. Give her a sub. Give her a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Get her off to a good start. And you know, animal videos, they say, do great on YouTube and other social media. That's one of the big things. But it's not about making the money anyway. It's about having some fun and sharing the 11 years. And in fact, I did a video of Mishka just this morning playing around in the living room, and we were both laughing at her and just having a big time. And we'll be sharing that one down the road too. But after 11 years, we looked at hundreds of pictures and a ton of videos that we've made over the years, and we thought, you know what, let's share these with folks. So that's what we're going to do. So head on over. Again, give them a sub, give them a thumbs up, enjoy the videos. They're really fun. And there's many more of those to come, I'm sure. And while you're subbing, if you're not subscribed to the Hobby Dude 007 channel, hey, show us a little love too. We'd appreciate it. Guys, God bless you. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.